Many people associate yoga with meditation, breathing and flexibility, but don't realize there's a lot more to the ancient practice. From decreasing stress and anxiety to improving circulation and metabolism, yoga has a number of powerful health benefits. One of the biggest is its ability to fight stubborn fat stores, especially in middle-aged people, and tone the body. 5 yoga asanas for weight loss. The best way to start out a weight loss yoga sequence is with some sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, especially if you are practicing in the morning. It is the perfect way to wake your whole body up, increase circulation, get your heart rate going and kickstart your digestion and metabolism for the day. Most of our classes have weight loss benefits already added, especially Power Yoga, Power Vinyasa and their hot counterparts are a great start in your weight loss program. Once you've warmed up with some sun salutations, try these simple yet effective 5 asanas, poses, to help fight stubborn fat stores and improve your overall health. Chair pose, Utkatasana. This strong posture works and tightens your thighs and buttocks, as well as your core, back, arms and lower legs. Although the focus is on tightening the thigh area, it is actually a fantastic pose for overall strength and muscle development. Start in mountain pose with your feet and legs together. As you inhale, raise your arms over your head, palms facing in. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and not lifted up towards your ears. As you exhale, sit back as if you're going for a chair behind you. Make sure you can see your toes in front of your knees and keep your core engaged and back straight, not curved. Take a few long, slow breaths in this position, feeling the burn in the thighs and buttocks. Plank pose variations. One of the best ways to fight stubborn fat stores and flatten the stomach area is not with crunches or sit-ups, but with plank variations. That is because planks work all the muscles along your midsection, including the rectus abdominis, which is the six-pack, the transverse abdominis, internal and external obliques, hips and back. Regular crunches or sit-ups, on the other hand, only work the upper abdominal muscles. There are a few ways to move and to plank during the yoga sequence. If you are starting in mountain pose, fold forward like you would in a sun salutation and plant your hands firmly on the mat. Send one foot back and then the other and make sure your body is in a straight line. Your buttocks shouldn't be raised or slouched and your core should be tight to protect your back. You can hold this pose for a few breaths and then move down through chaturanga. To do this, push forward from the balls of your feet onto your toes, keep your elbows tucked in by your sides, and slowly lower your body down. When your elbows are bent and you are nearly touching the mat, hover for a breath or two before allowing your body to gently reach the mat. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. There are a few variations of triangle pose, and it is an extremely beneficial stretch for the whole body. Holding triangle pose for an extended period can aid in burning fat from the stomach, thighs and back, slimming and stretching the waist. Start in mountain pose and send one leg back so that your legs are making a triangle shape. Keep your front foot pointing forward and turn your back foot on an angle, pointing slightly forward, with the middle of the back foot lining up with your front heel. Turn your body so that your waist and shoulders are in a straight line with your feet, as if you are in between two tight walls. Stretch your arms out and as you exhale, hinge your waist towards the front of the mat and fold sideways, sending your front hand towards your front foot and your other arm towards the ceiling. You should feel a strong stretch in the side of your body and your core should be tight in this pose. Make sure your back, hip and shoulder aren't falling forward. You should always imagine a wall on both sides of your body, squeezing you into a straight line. Repeat on the other side. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Balancing is another great way to fight stubborn fat and tone the body. Tree pose uses almost every muscle in your body, especially around the core, to keep you balanced. If your body is already quite warm and in calorie burning mode, then tree pose becomes even more beneficial to weight loss. Start in mountain pose with your tailbone slightly tilted downwards to lengthen your spine. Focus your eyes on a still point in the room and ground down in one foot. Slowly lift the other foot and rest it either below or above the knee. Don't lean it on your knee because this could create problems for the joint. Once you are in position, concentrate on balancing and staying as still as possible, pressing your foot against your leg and your leg against your foot. Your core should feel engaged and your whole body should feel quite strong in this pose. You can place your hands on your hips, in prayer position, or open then up above your head. Repeat with the other foot. Boat pose, Navasana. This is a great pose to finish within a weight loss sequence before enjoying some restorative poses. It is both a balancing and core strengthening posture that uses every muscle around your midsection to tighten and flatten the stomach. Start in staff pose, sitting down with your back straight and legs out in front of you. Bend your knees and lift your feet, resting your hands underneath your knees. When you have your balance, you can release your hands and stretch your arms out beside your legs, making sure your back is not curved and your chest is open. Don't forget to breathe in this pose and try to hold it for a few long, slow breaths. Following any yoga sequence, it is important to do some restorative poses to stretch the muscles that have been used and slow your heart rate back down. Bridge pose, L-shape or shoulder stand, universal spinal twist, and corpse pose are great poses to finish with. Feel free to contact us and ask our teachers to recommend you classes to support your weight loss program. And remember to drink lots of water for the rest of the day.